You can see this is your worksheet, student. You can see in your chat box. You can see in your screen. This is your worksheet. You can see in your screen. This is your worksheet. So first you write in your copy your name, class, subject and today's date. Okay, first you write your name, class, subject and then today date. Okay, first you write your name, class, subject and today date. Beta Molly, you can see this is your worksheet. तो आज हम वर्कशीट सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा. ओके, यू कैन सी इन योर स्क्रीन. यस आरव, लुकिंग सो हैंडसम, है ना. बहुत बाल बना लिया आपने. चलो अब लिखना स्टार्ट करो. आरव, प्लीज स्टार्ट राइटिंग बेटा. फर्स्ट यू राइट योर नेम, class, subject and today date. Okay, then you will start your answer. आप लोग सिर्फ आंसर लिखेंगे बेटा. You write only answer in your copy. Okay, question number 1. बेटा जान्या प्लीज start writing. जान्या, question number 1, match the following. Okay, so first is page setup. Page setup. Page setup means. Page setup means. Sorry, page up. Page up means. क्या होता है page up? Yes. Yes, page up means.
Ma'am, beginning of the presentation.
Yes, page up means beginning of the presentation. So you write beginning of the presentation. First answer is beginning of the presentation. Now page down.
Ma'am, end of the presentation.
End of the presentation. Yes, Molly, you write in your copy. If you have rough copy, fair copy, जो भी copy है, you write. Okay. What happened, Ashi? Ashi, you have any query, beta?
मैम इसको कंप्यूटर की कॉपी में लिखना है.
तो बेटा कॉपी है तो या रिवीजन कॉपी है, आप उसमें लिख सकते हैं बेटा. नो प्रॉब्लम.
ओके मैम.
स्टूडेंट जिसको भी आंसर नहीं आ कैन सी इन योर चैट बॉक्स. ओके, इफ यू डोंट नो द आंसर, करेक्ट आंसर, यू कैन सी इन योर चैट बॉक्स. ओके, नाउ थर्ड इज कंट्रोल होम. Now third is control home. What is the answer, Janya?
Ma'am, start slide. Ma'am, start slide.
Ma'am, start slide.
Yes. Your third answer is?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, problem.
What is problem, beta?
मैम मेरे पास रफ कॉपी तो है पर कंप्यूटर और रिवीजन कॉपी नहीं है, और रफ कॉपी जो है वो 4 लाइन वाली है, उसमें नहीं लिखा है.
नहीं बेटा, लिख सकते हैं आप, कोई बात नहीं, आप लिख लो उसमें, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next is control plus end. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
start slide. Ma'am, start
Ma'am,
slide.
start the slide.
ऐसे बोलोगे तो नहीं होगा.
No.
Ma'am, start slide.
Control
Ma'am, previous slide.
end. Control plus
Ma'am, map.
Ma'am, previous slide.
Ma'am, map.
wait a minute.
मैम विच चैप्टर लिखी दो. कौन सा चैप्टर बनावे छे लिखी दो मैम. विच चैप्टर.
Students,
पापा ने को बोल चुप रहेगी.
क्लास कर रही है.
beta, listen. Your first is page up option. Page up option means it take page up option means beginning of the presentation. Okay. Then page down. Page down means
Ma'am, end of the presentation.
Ma'am, end of the.
beta,
Ma'am,
listen. Page up means start.
ma'am,
Listen first. Page. Mute. Beta, mute. Mute yourself. Students, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, beta. Control home means beginning of the presentation. Control home means beginning of the presentation, and control end means end of the presentation. Okay. Page down means forward at a time. Okay. And page up means back. Page up means क्या होगा? Page up means back at a time. मतलब previous slide में जाना. Page up means previous slide. Page down means next slide. Okay, understand what I say? Please write, correct your answer, beta. Beta, page up means previous slide. Page up means previous slide. Page down means next slide. Home, control home means beginning of the presentation, and control end means end of the presentation. Okay, this is your right answer. ये है आपका right answer. Okay, any confusion? Again I repeat, yes Sara.
मैम थोड़ा सा नीचे करो ना.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer number one, page up का क्या आंसर आएगा बेटा? So here answer is first is previous slide, second next slide, then third beginning of the presentation, fourth end of the presentation, then fifth one is start slide. Okay. and control M means add new slide. Control M means add new slide. Okay, done. Now come to multiple choice question. Now come to multiple choice question. Okay. Your first answer is formula command is in dash group. Formula command is in dash group. Merge table or data. Again I repeat, formula command is dash group. formula command किस ग्रुप में होता है? जान्या, yes जान्या, what happened बेटा?
मैम मैच द फॉलोइंग में मैच कर दो ना, मेरे को लिख नहीं रहा है, मतलब कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ कि कौन.
ओके, यस आरव.
मैम थोड़ा नीचे.
यस रिद्धि.
मैम आंसर इज डाटा डेट.
यस
मैम डाटा.
डाटा.
मैम इसमें डेट लिखा है.
नो नो नो, वो डाटा हो जाएगा बेटा, वो मैंने मिस्टेक से कर दिया है. यू राइट डेटा. ओके.
यस मैम.
ओके जान्या, यू कैन सी इन योर चैट बॉक्स. मैं फिर से भेज रही हूँ बेटा जान्या. फर्स्ट इज पेज अप ना. पेज अप मीन्स प्रीवियस. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, answer of ma'am, can I tell the answer of second question?
Yes.
Ma'am, second answer is insert tab.
Listen, first you read the question. Formula command is in dash group. Okay. पहले ऐसे रीड करो, फिर आंसर बताना.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first
Formula
answer.
command is in
Okay. Second table.
data group.
Yes, table group is present.
Table group is present in insert tab.
Yes, very good. Insert tab. Next, third.
A rectangular interaction of row and column is called a cell.
Yes, it's called a
Ma'am, cell.
cell. And your fourth option is to end a slideshow. Dash key is used. To end a
Control plus N.
control plus N.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, to end a slideshow, dash key is used. So your answer is escape.
Ma'am, ESE.
ESC. This is called escape button. Okay. Okay, escape.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Labdi, Ashi, what happened, beta? Yes, Ashi.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Beta, Ashi, if you have any query, please you can see in your chat box. मैंने वहाँ पर आंसर दे दिया है. Okay, you can see in your chat box, Ashi. Beta, Ashi, you can
Okay,
see in
ma'am.
your chat box. Now, answer 5 is dash is the method of arranging things and objects on a slide. Dash is the method of arranging things and object on a slide. What is the answer?
Ma'am, layout.
Layout. Yes, layout. So, your answer number 2 also completed. Yes, Mohit. What happened, Mohit?
मैम चैट बॉक्स में ऑप्शन लिख के समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेटा? चैट बॉक्स में मैंने आंसर लिखा है. लिसन, पहले मैंने क्या लिखा? आंसर नंबर 1 का 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 तक मैंने आंसर लिखा. देन कम टू आंसर नंबर सेकंड. आंसर नंबर सेकंड में कितने पॉइंट है? 5. तो मैंने लिखा 1 में डेटा, सेकंड इंसर्ट, थर्ड सेल, फोर्थ स्केप एंड 5 लेआउट. क्या समझ में नहीं आया बेटा इसमें? हाँ मोहित.
ओके. यस मैम, यस मैम.
Now come to answer third. What is a slide? Answer number third. What is a slide? So you write down the answer. Slide. Wait a minute. A slide present a page in a presentation. Slide means a slide. You can see in your chat box, beta. You can see in your chat box. A slide represent a page in a presentation. A slide represent a page in a presentation. Okay, this is your answer number 3. Now come to our question number 4. What is a template? What is a template? Student, you know what is a template? क्या होता है template? कभी आपने नाम सुना है? Yes, Riddhi, Janya, you know the beta. What is a template?
मैम फर्स्ट वाले का आंसर नहीं आया चैट में. मैम व्हाट इज स्लाइड का आंसर?
What beta?
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर का फर्स्ट आंसर का नहीं आया चैट में आंसर.
Okay.
I have a doubt.
Now beta.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what is your doubt beta?
Ma'am, a slide represent a page in a slideshow or presentation.
What beta?
मैम यहाँ slideshow लिखना है कि presentation लिखना है?
Beta, no. Here question is what is a slide? Beta, slide is different and slideshow is different. Okay, you write slide only. A slide represent a page in a presentation. Okay, स्लाइड जो होती है बेटा वो क्या करती है, एक पेज होती है जो प्रेजेंटेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
And your next question is, what is a template? So template is a template are the saved presentation which include different themes and layout that help to you that help to do your work quickly and easily. Okay. लिख के देना पड़ेगा कि आप लोग लिखिए. हाँ, template are the saved presentation. Okay. This is your answer number 4. This is your answer number 4. This is your answer number 4. Template templates are the saved presentation which include different themes and layout that help to do your work quickly and easily. You can see in your chat box, beta. You can see in your chat box. Now come to question number 5. Name any 3 slide layout in PowerPoint. Riddhi, what is the answer? Name any 3. Answer number 5. Your question 5 is, name any 3 slide layouts in PowerPoint. What is the answer?
Ma'am, title slide.
Very good. Title slide, title with content and
Section header to content.
yes, and
Ma'am, comparison.
total there are,
Title.
बेटा there are कितने टाइप के स्लाइड है?
Ma'am, 3.
नो बेटा, हमारे पास टोटल 9 टाइप के स्लाइड होते हैं. ओके.
Ma'am, title slide.
कितने लिखने हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Write only 3 slide layout name. Okay. So your first name is title slide, second section header, and third compression. या तो फिर title and content. Okay. And you write also blank slide, title only slide, 2 content slide, content with caption, picture with caption slide. Okay. बेटा ये पर्टिकुलर किसी एक चैप्टर का नहीं है. चैप्टर 3, 4 एंड 5 तीनों चैप्टर से बनाया है मैंने क्वेश्चंस लेकर. ओके. सो यू राइट योर आंसर. यू कैन सी आंसर नंबर 5. Student, you can see answer number 5. 3 slide. Three slide layouts in PowerPoint are blank slide, title only, title only slide, and next is title slide. Sorry, title and content slide. Done. Now come to question number 6. What is column? What is column? So student, column means table is a grid of rows and column. Okay, you write down the answer. Column. A vertical data is called a column. Okay, column means, and your answer number 6 is the vertical data is called column. Called a column. Okay. Now come to next question. What are table style? What are table style? Who give me answer? What are table style? You know now what is a table style? Table style is an inbuilt facility of MS Word for changing the look, color and design of the border of a
Table is called table style.
Okay, you can see in your chat box your answer number 7. Answer number 7. Table style is an inbuilt facility. Table style is an inbuilt facility of MS Word for changing the look, color and design of the border of a table. Okay, now come to answer number 8. What is a row? What is a row? So student, your answer number 8 is the horizontal data is called a row. The horizontal data is called a row. Okay, the horizontal data is called a row. Now come to answer number 9. Write the steps to merge cell of your table. Write the steps to merge cell of your table. So you can see here your answer. Step 1 is select the cell you want to merge. Select the cells Select the cells you want to merge, and your step second is click the layout tab. Click the layout tab, and your step third is click merge cell option. Click merge cells from the merge group. Okay, so here answer number 9 is completed. Done. Now come to next question, question number 10. Your question number 10 is, what is MS PowerPoint 2007? What is MS PowerPoint 2007? So you already know what is MS PowerPoint 2007. Students, PowerPoint 2007 means MS PowerPoint 2000 is a presentation software. MS PowerPoint 2007 is a presentation software. Okay. Okay. Done. You can see in your chat box. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. मैंने सारे आंसर दे दिए बेटा. प्लीज कंप्लीट योर वर्क फास्ट. Only 5 minutes is left. Yes, Janya, what happened बेटा?
मैम लास्ट में आप जो 10th के पहले जो 1 और 2 दिया है वो कौन से वाला क्वेश्चन है?
Step 1, step 2 and step 3. This is your answer number 9. This is your answer number 9. जान्या, मैंने लिखा है ना step 1, step 2. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर
यस मैम.
है ना बेटा? ओके.
यस मैम. ओके मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened, Avni?
मैम कंप्यूटर के एग्जाम में मैम हमारा सिलेबस पूरा हाफ ईयरली के बाद से आएगा.
Yes बेटा, chapter 3, 4 and 5.
यस मैम.
Okay. And what happened, Josh? What is your problem बेटा? क्यों नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं आप? Any problem बच्चा?
मैम
Yes.
मैम आप जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हो मैम. कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं मैम. मैं लिख पा रहा हूँ.
ओके, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट बेटा मैंने आपको चैट बॉक्स में भेज दिया है, तो आप वहां से चैट बॉक्स में उसकी फोटो क्लिक कर लो, फिर आप बाद में लिख लेना जस्ट बेटा. ओके. ओके बेटा, यू हैव मोबाइल फोन. अभी आप फोन पकड़े हैं, आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना आता है बच्चा? अगर आता है तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख लो और आंसर लिख लीजिएगा. ओके. ओके बेटा.
मैम
ओके ना? यस.
ओके मैम.
Please complete your work fast. Yes, just question number 7. Beta, question number 7 is table style. Table style is a inbuilt facility of MS Word for changing the look, color and design of the borders of a table. Okay, you can see in your chat box. बेटा मैंने उसका भी आंसर दिया है, मैंने सारा आंसर चैट बॉक्स में दिया है. Okay, Josh? You can see in your chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Okay, so student, here time is over. So next class we will continue. Okay, next class we will continue. Okay, goodbye. Bye bye.